my dad just had a fish. What was it?
It was, I think it was a white bass.
Oh, are you kidding me? So now we got these flies from Walmart. Nothing for like the past 2 hours. You see them swimming up all along the bank here, but you just can't get any. So that one just jumped over there. They're jumping like crazy, but they're just not hungry for anything. I've tried paddle tails, and we're trying bobber with worm. We tried rooster tails with everything. Yeah, even a crankbait. They don't want anything. So now we're just gonna have some lunch, I guess. Jeez. Boom. Look at that. That looks beautiful right there. Cheers. Wow. This pecan pie. That's good. Alright. I'll see you guys if we get a fish. I almost just died. Okay. So, finally caught a white bass, guys. Let's see this after, shoot the time here. After like 6 hours, not say 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, finally caught a fish. Let me show to you guys. A huge white bass. My dad caught this one though. Let's look at that. Just take a moment to appreciate how cool. This is a wild species too. So that's pretty amazing. So that means we have lunch or slash dinner. So I'm pretty happy about that, but hopefully we get some more. Oh my god. Guys, I got one! On my broken pole. Oh my gosh. It's huge. Dude, this is the best day ever. I was just talking to you about it.
Turned on?
Yeah, it's on. Oh my gosh, he's massive. Oh shoot. Please get him, please get him. Get him. Yes! I was just talking about getting one. Oh my gosh! I thought I hooked a rock. I thought I hooked a rock.
To the left?
Yes. Now we're gonna measure this, this beast of a fish. Dude, this might be my PB right here. This is so cool. We got a raging fire in the background. Holy cow. Jeez. Get down for you guys so you can see. Look at that. Big old white bass. Let's go measure it. Come on. Hands are all slimy, kind of hard to do this. Okay. See? Looking, stop looking. That's not an accurate measure. Hold on. About like a pound. 1.19 was the first one, so I'm going with that one because that's the same thing. This one's 1.18, so. Alright, let's see how long he'll measure for you guys. Just appreciate how big this guy is. He's huge. Look at that. Alright, let's take a tape measure out here if we can. It's a bit rusty, jeez. Okay, go tip to the tail. Say it's about 16 and a half. So 1.19 is 16 and a half. This, I'm grabbing them wrong. These, no. Come on. Okay. Grab the fish. Show him. Okay. Now I can get a better view angle of this. Look at that, guys. This guy is huge. Alright, so now we're gonna go flame up and then we'll be Alright guys, here is the meat of the fish. The white bass actually, I should say. Alright guys, now we're gonna take a brief break from, I guess, cooking, fishing, filleting, everything, to say a thank you to one of our subscribers for sending us the seasoning for the video. Red Lobster seafood seasoning. And it's their signature one, so this is gonna be really good. Thank you to Bobber Pike for giving us this. Appreciate you, and we're gonna try this in our recipe.
Alright, that's the new good stuff.
That looks good right there. Look at this shoreline, fam. Yeah, guys, let's go. Look at that. Burning amazing. Pretty big ball down there. Oh, yeah, look at that. We're doing it, guys. Outdoor, pretty much survival challenge. Besides the guys. But yeah, this is working pretty well. There's the lizard, guys. He's like doing push-ups right now. Alright, now we got the delicious fillets and mixed with some butter. Alright, I'm gonna go put it on the fire. This actually came out really well. Okay, it's not burning the handle, so let's put it like right there. Right about there. Just wait for the butter to melt.
Yeah, you think so, Gabe? You got enough butter?
We were at sizzling already.
Yeah, that'll take no time at all.
Look at that, yeah, it's coming out really well. Burning everything. Let's flipping the fish now, guys. If you could smell this, it's like a mix of smells. Mix of fire and a mix of like this fish. The seasoning is really good.
Starting to flake apart, we're almost done.
Good. Alright, look at this gorgeous fish. This is white bass, first on our channel, guys. Look at that. The Red Lobster seasoning, that looks amazing. And we got the mushrooms and veggies.
So a little salt and pepper, and then the Red Lobster seafood seasoning, right?
But always before, we have to say our prayer. Cool. Let's take our hats off. Okay, so now we can finally eat this fish.
Alright, so you want to try a little bit of the fish first without the mushrooms and onion and stuff? Wait, did you put lemon on?
Oh,
wait, can't forget the lemon.
Okay.
Now it's ready.
Okay, now the order looks better. Okay, now let's dig in. Now this actually was hard to catch.
Yeah.
It took us so long. You know, look at that. Seasoning. It's flaky like trout.
It's kind of soft. It's a soft white flesh kind of a fish, right?
I'm getting hit with every flavor. Wow, that's pretty spicy.
Good?
Really good. It's like meaty, but it's flaky too.
Yep.
Oh, I think it's spicy.
Uh-huh. Gotcha. All right. Piece of a plate.
Piece of plate?
Yeah. Can you help me open the bag? Get in there. Sweet. Got it? I like it down here.